Hey guys, me again. So I've just finished my shower. I thought that I would show you guys a quick just kind of video of what I do at night time. So it's like 7:30 and I had a pretty chill day today, just relaxed with the kids. Had my little nanny nap. So I'm just gonna go and do what I usually do and show you guys what I do. So I'm using the Ole Hendrickson. Love this stuff. It's so good for those breakouts, everything like that. It just clears everything. Really get in there, especially at those spots and that hyperpigmentation that I've been going on about all day. I love the Clarisonic brush. If any of you have got that, it's a must. Use it in the shower. I'll show you that in a separate video, but it's amazing. It really cleans your skin. Really gets in there. Okay, the next thing I'm going to use, I've been using these lately. I've been using the Medicate range. I've been using these blemish control pads ever since I got these. And I don't even know how, I'm 44 and I've got pimples. Like, I don't know what happened there. I might be going through those changes. Hope not. This little red mark here is actually it's a spider vein. Now I tried to get rid of that. I had one on this side as well. Probably can still see it a little bit, but that's gone. I went to a specialist laser guy, and he did the fractional laser, where they insert like really thin needle and then they blast it. It didn't even bloody work, man. It came back worse. So I went back to him and told him that, and then he reckons it's actually worse than even when I went to paid $500 for this guy, and it's just worse. I can't even cover it up properly with concealer, but I'll show you guys that. So it came back worse, and yeah, that was a bloody waste of time. So I'm stuck with that, but I am trying my hardest to hopefully it's gonna go. No, just keep looking after myself. I mean, this one over here went. I don't know if you can see it. That went, but that one's, gosh knows. I'm hoping it'll go. Try to make it anyway. I will use those peptides that we spoke about. I always use this. It's great. It's really lovely stuff. I really do feel like it's making a difference. See, I've gone through half of it already. Put a decent amount on though. Sunday today, and I try and get as much rest as I can on the weekend before I go back to work. So work can be quite stressful. I come back home, probably as we all do. Also, tonight I'm going to put on the Hydra B. You haven't seen this one yet. Another Medicate one. Hydra B Intense. It's more of a supercharged hyaluronic acid, which is great. I should have actually put this one on first, because what it does is it acts as a sucking agent, really. So it sucks all the other products into your skin. This is a really nice one. I like it. I like this one. I've got a few different ones, which as we go along on this journey, I will show you which ones I do have. I've got the Dr. Barbara Sturm one. Freaking expensive, man, but I like this one. I feel like that's really, it really works. I mean, it's fruity. What's it got in it? It's got a lot of stuff. A lot. But yeah, that's great. I love my nighttime routine. I love to, look after my skin at nighttime. Having that little bit of time for me is really great. Like, I've got the door locked. My hubby is out there playing PlayStation at the moment. The kids are all chill. I've got all my kids living at home with me. My little grandson, he's so cute. He might come knocking on my door soon, but yes. Use our fan. Actually, this has really dried into my skin quite quickly tonight, which is great. Get that in there. So the rules with the serums, guys, is try and use the essence. I forgot to use the essence tonight, but I always, you know, every night I usually do use the essence. Tonight I'm just feeling a bit blah. But I do want to show you the other stuff that I use. With the essences, you have to use the clear ones first. Try to use that hyaluronic acid first, as it sucks everything else in. And then you go into your creamy serums. And then at the end, you will use your moisturizer. So that's pretty important. Or else, you know, the order that you put stuff in is pretty important. So tonight I'm going to use some of my Lamia. I love this stuff. It really works. It's beautiful. It's the Lamia Regenerating Serum, and it's good. Really does give my skin that beautiful, feels like it's healing, you know, all those wrinkles and stuff. Getting rid of it all. Some of that on. Again, you don't need to use what I'm using, but these are the products I really like. And when you get older, you have to start using expensive stuff. You have to pay the money to upgrade yourself, and really it's worth it. It really is. I mean, you'll notice the difference. You'll notice the difference in your skin. Using more expensive stuff, I mean, you can just use moisturizer, and the Touch is actually pretty good, like $150 for a moisturizer. I think it's pretty reasonable. They last for a long time. The serums and stuff are all, you know, get a really expensive one, and it'll last you. It'll last you a while, and you will see the difference. You will see the difference, even if you just want to get one serum, you know. But I think the essence is a really good one. The one from Touch is really good. It's like $150 for that bottle. See, mine's nearly out. It's like $150, but it's worth it. This has lasted me over 6 months. About 6 months, and it's bloody great. It works. You will notice a difference, I promise you guys, if you put the value into your skincare, because that's what you need to do, especially at my age now. I should have done this years ago, but okay. So the next thing I'm going to add, I'll usually put on more serums than that. Don't put vitamin C on at night, guys. Oh, this stuff's really good. Medicate Crystal Retinol 10. It's excellent. It's got retinol in it. Retinol's so good for us. Nearly out of it. I mean, I don't know why my lighting looks a lot better than I did this morning. But probably because of night time. Yep, put that on. And then I will actually put on that Medicate one that I told you about this morning. I do like to put this one on morning and night if I can, if I remember. That one. And it's so important, you know. It leaves your face a little bit greasy, would I say? All these products, I mean, it doesn't sink in completely, like you don't have a dry face after, which is a good thing. But at the beginning, if you're doing this, it is a bit annoying, especially when you go to bed, you know, and you're like, oh my gosh, my skin is just too sticky. You just need to get used to it. I'm used to it. This stuff is actually a bit tingly, which means it's working right. Now, if you're going to buy a cream, guys, if you want to spend money on a cream, buy this one. Buy this one. It's bloody amazing, honestly. I bought a few of these, and it's just great. It lasts for ages. It's really good for your skin. You will see the difference. So, and it's lightweight, like it's not greasy or anything like that, which I love. I could put on some heavier creams like that and more with a Lamia one, but so really rub that in. And I actually do have a method of putting on my stuff. I really do like to get right up there, because you do want to lift everything, eh? You want everything to lift up. Who wants everything lifting down? We don't. But the neck too. I've got a special neck cream as well. Anyway guys, this is my La Mer neck cream. It is lovely. I don't use this every night. Put it all down your décolletage. I only use this maybe once a week. Give myself that special treat. Otherwise, I just use normal moisturizer is fine. You don't even need a special neck cream, man. You just bring all your serums down and what you use on your face. It's the most important thing. Rub that in, but it is nice to treat yourself. Yeah, so that's me, guys. That's all I'll do. And yes, now I'm all ready for I'll go chill for a bit, feed my kids. So I'll go hang out with the hubby for a little bit, and then I will crash out. My normal time of 9:30 at the latest, and it's really good. Even earlier if I can. I even find that if I can get to bed at like 8:30 I feel amazing. I've been having some sleeping issues as well, which I will talk to you guys about on a different video. But yeah, it's me. Catch yous another day. Bye.